Welcome to the art of hair sewing. Yes, this hairstyle that I'm going to show you is 100% hair sewing. So first of all, I'm taking a look in the mirror and you must be thinking, gosh, she must be a ventriloquist. She's talking and her lips aren't moving. Well, you can see I'm concentrating. This hair was set and I set it over a very large iron and I teased the hair as part of the set. So you can see here now what I'm doing as I'm twisting the hair, and this is what's critical. Stepping back as far as one can, not being too close, looking in the mirror, and then from that twist you can see I have my plastic needle and elastic thread, and I'm going to sew down into the bottom. So what's important is how I capture the hair between my holding hand, and here you can see I'm being pretty clever actually, threading that needle through the thread. And why do I say pretty clever? It's not easy to do, especially when you're old like me. Anyway, you can see now I'm starting the sewing technique. Now the thread is elastic, and that's important. So as I'm going through, it's almost as though I want to create valleys and peaks, and I'm going to go glide in and out and always be observant of the shape. So as I'm designing, what I want is soft, relaxed and undone. And now I can take my hand away. So I've got it carefully sewn enough that I can now have the freedom to move away, use my mirror, look at the shape and create this effect. Now what this does is it gives you something that's much more soft and loose. I don't know whether you found this, but very, very often when you pin a hairstyle, it can get tighter and tighter and tighter. And so all the looseness and the freedom is lost. There is an art to precision in dress work in terms of shine, polish, and excellent execution. But there's also an art to relaxation, softness, and that undone look without, I may emphasize, losing the shape. Now, if this client came in and said, Viv, could you do the same thing again? I would have to say, I can come close, but I cannot carbon copy this because it's a very emotional, organic way of working versus very technical. So you can see in the front of the hair, soft facial frame, I razor cut around the face, you can see the little bouffant, you can see all the valleys and peaks from the sewing, which I think is just so pretty. And what it gives is that lovely relaxation. And I think that a client today could wear this during the day, and according to how she accessorizes it, it could obviously transfer over into red carpet and a more special event. Now, for many of you who follow me, you know the importance of how I study face shape first. I always want to design to lifestyle and personality as well as age. It's not just about doing a lovely hairstyle, it must be about the right fit. And clearly, it's important to know when to stop. So I'm coming really close to that stopping point. And what I would say to you is when you're playing with this, do stop as much as you can to look. So here you have the final look. I hope you like this hairstyle. Please check out the links below to see how you can learn more from me, and you know what to do. If you like this, which I hope you do, press like, leave me a comment, and please subscribe and do share with your friends. So I hope you like our relaxed, undone hair sewing, which it all started from a twisted ponytail. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.